In a world filled with mystery and wonder, there is one story that has captivated human imagination for centuries: Atlantis. A tale of majestic glory and tragic destruction, Atlantis has become an unforgettable symbol of mystery and enchantment. Although many doubt its existence, this legend lives on in our culture, prompting unanswered questions and arousing deep interest. Now let's reflect some more on this mysterious ancient legend and explore what we can learn from this fascinating story. In a vast and mysterious ocean, the legend of a lost city has inspired human imagination for centuries. Atlantis, a city that supposedly sank beneath the ocean thousands of years ago, remains one of the greatest mysteries in world history. So, what exactly is Atlantis? Atlantis is a legendary city embedded in ancient cultural and mythological treasures. It is said that the city is located in the middle of a vast sea, towering majestically above the rich and fertile land beyond the Pillars of Hercules in what is now known as the Strait of Gibraltar. Legend states that Atlantis was a center of splendor, wealth, and wisdom unparalleled in its time. According to Plato, who first introduced the concept of Atlantis in his dialogues Timaeus and Critias, the city was a symbol of advanced civilization and extraordinary prosperity. Magnificent buildings towered high in the sky, with sophisticated and beautiful architecture. Some reports describe magnificent marble palaces, temples decorated with jewels, and an intricate network of canals that facilitated transportation and irrigation systems. The technology used by the people of Atlantis is believed to be far more advanced than other civilizations of the time, with advances in science, mathematics, and astronomy. However, the glory of Atlantis did not last forever. A tragic fate befell it when the city was said to have sunk in one dark night, burying its riches and wisdom to the bottom of the ocean. Although various versions of the legend state various reasons for the destruction of Atlantis, the most common is the anger of the gods who meted out punishment for humanity's sins and mistakes. Some legends suggest that Atlantis fell victim to the pride and arrogance of its inhabitants, while others assert that the city was destroyed due to unbridled military ambition. To this day, the mystery and fascination of Atlantis remains alive in the popular imagination, fueling interest in underwater archaeological research and speculation of the possibility of its actual existence. Some experts believe that stories about Atlantis may have originated from actual historical or geological events, while others remain skeptical about its existence and see it as merely a legend. However, the legacy of Atlantis remains embedded in human culture as a symbol of lost splendor and a warning of human weakness in the face of a powerful universe. Despite many speculations and theories made by experts, the actual location of this legendary city has not yet been revealed. According to ancient historical records conveyed by the ancient Greek philosopher Plato, Atlantis was an advanced civilization that was beyond the column of Hercules, now known as the Strait of Gibraltar, and disappeared mysteriously in one tragic night. The legend of Atlantis has been the subject of much research, exploration, and speculation since it was introduced by Plato in his work, Dialogues of Timaeus and Critias. Although many theories have been proposed about the location of Atlantis, including some linking it to various islands and land masses around the world, such as Santorini in Greece and Yonaguni in Japan, the actual truth remains an enigma. Archaeologists and explorers have undertaken expeditions into the oceans in an attempt to find physical evidence of the existence of Atlantis. They have used advanced technology such as sonar and underwater mapping to search for ruins that may be related to this lost city. However, these efforts have not produced definite results. In addition to archaeological facts, the legend of Atlantis continues to inspire popular culture, literature, and art. The story of a sunken city of unparalleled wealth and wisdom has served as fuel for the imaginations of writers, filmmakers, and artists around the world. Although many are skeptical about the true existence of Atlantis, interest in this mystery remains strong. Whether Atlantis really ever existed, or is it just an ongoing myth, it remains one of the greatest mysteries in human history, waiting to be solved by time and discovery. With mysteries still surrounding the legend of Atlantis, the tale of lost glory and tragic destruction remains part of humanity's profound cultural heritage. While its existence may remain an unsolved puzzle, the moral about the pride, wisdom, and vulnerability of civilization remains a valuable lesson from this legendary story. Atlantis, in all its beauty, still inspires human imagination and curiosity, teaching us humility and wisdom in facing the natural world.